Hello, I'm Declan O'Reilly, owner of Matrimony, the highest rated online marketing company in the state of Virginia. Welcome to this exciting video about the power of ChatGPT for marketing. Are you ready to take your marketing to the next level? If so, then you don't want to miss this. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an AI language model that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This technology is changing the way businesses interact with the customers and market their products. The benefits of using ChatGPT for marketing are numerous. With its advanced language models and natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can provide personalized and engaging experiences for your customers. It can also automate repetitive tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions and freeing up your team to focus on other aspects of the marketing strategy. These 7 services will never be the same. We start the list off with number 1. Customer service automation. ChatGPT can be integrated with a chatbot to automate repetitive customer service tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions, providing product information, and handling customer inquiries. Number 2, personalized marketing. ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities allow it to understand customer preferences and respond with personalized and relevant information. This can lead to improved customer satisfaction and increased sales. Number 3, data analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze customer interactions and gather valuable data about customer preferences and behavior. This information can be used to target more effective and better marketing campaigns. Number 4, content generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate written content, such as product descriptions, blog posts, and social media updates, saving time and resources for marketing teams. Number 5, lead generation. ChatGPT can be integrated with a chatbot to automate lead generation processes and assist with lead qualification. Number 6, email marketing. This is a big one, guys. ChatGPT can be used to personalize and automate email marketing campaigns, improving their effectiveness and increasing the likelihood of a response from the recipient. Number 7, chatbot development. ChatGPT can be used to build intelligent and ongoing chatbots that provide personalized customer experiences and automate marketing tasks. But that's just the beginning. ChatGPT can be also used for advanced data analysis, helping you understand your target audience and their preferences better. With this information, you can create more effective targeted marketing campaigns and drive real results. For example, imagine a customer asking a chatbot about the availability of a certain product. With ChatGPT, they can understand the customer's request and provide an accurate and relevant response. This personalized experience not only improves customer satisfaction, but also increases the likelihood of a sale. So now you may be wondering, how can I get started with ChatGPT for marketing? Well, I'm glad you asked. We've created a free course that provides all the tools you need to be successful with ChatGPT. You can get free access to this course by clicking the link below. In this course, you will learn everything from the basics of AI language models to advanced marketing strategies that utilize ChatGPT. You will learn how to make endless money using ChatGPT, and this course is 100% free. So are you ready to take your marketing to the next level and make more money? Be sure to sign up for our free ChatGPT course by clicking the link below, and we'll see you there.